Hello and welcome to another episode of December Daily. I am once more working with Breeze Create December prompts, and today's prompt is gratitude. And today I'm starting out with putting a fabric tab, a fabric like a flip up thing on the left hand of the spread, and I know it's totally crooked at the moment, but I will fix that later. And I wanted this flip up thing, I don't know what the term is, to have several layers, and I wanted to go with some festive colors, so that's why I chose this gold fabric and the golden rose on this other fabric. Usually I use these fabrics for making traveler's notebook journal covers, but I thought they would work really nicely for this spread. And next I stamp the date on cheesecloth, and I will add that on top with another layer in between of some music paper. And I'm going to sew the individual parts onto each other. So you won't actually see me sewing, but I will show you the pieces in between the sewing stages, and then when I sew it onto the page you'll see that. And then on the right hand side I will create a space where I can write about gratitude. And because I've just done a spread 2 days ago about how thankful I am for so many things, and I wrote them down, I thought, okay, I don't want to do the same thing for this spread, so instead I looked something up on the internet because I kind of remembered seeing something about the benefits of gratitude, and I found something, and I'm quite impressed how many benefits there are to being grateful. And so I found this website and I will link that below. It's about 31 benefits of being grateful, and it lists 5 different areas in your life that are affected by you being grateful. So I thought I would read you some of the benefits that being grateful has. So for the emotional category, we have more good feeling, more relaxed, more resilient, less envious, and happier memories. Then we have the social aspects. You're more social, it's good for a healthier marriage, you're kinder, you have more friendships, and you have deeper relationships. For your career, you have better management, improved networking, goal achievement, improved decision making, and increased productivity. Category 4 is health, improved sleep, less sick, longevity, increased energy, and more exercise. And personality is less materialistic, less self-centered, more optimistic, increased self-esteem, and more spiritual. Now, if you want to know more about this, obviously you can go on the link below. But what was really interesting for me was I really was interested in seeing what it says. And while I'm talking, I'm just scrolling to that place. Sorry. I really wanted to know how this would help you exercise more, because that is a connection I don't quite understand. So, gratitude makes you more likely to exercise. In one 11-week study of 96 Americans, those who were introduced to keep a weekly gratitude journal exercised 40 minutes more per week than the control group. No other study has yet to replicate these results. It could be because other gratitude studies testing this effect have been much shorter, in the range of 1 to 3 weeks, or it could be because this result was a fluke. Once again, time will tell, but it would not surprise me if being grateful for one's health would increase one's tendency to want to protect it by exercising more. Very interesting thought. I don't know if it would be true. I guess it's worth trying. And since I have just a little more time, I thought I could also read some of the others, the reasoning behind what they say. So the first one was gratitude makes us happier. A 5-minute a day gratitude journal can increase your long-term well-being by more than 10%. That's the same impact as doubling your income. How can a free 5-minute activity compare? Gratitude improves our health, relationships, emotions, personality, and career. Gratitude makes us feel more gratitude. This is why 5 minutes a week gratitude journal can make us so much happier. The actual gratitude produced during those 5 minutes is small, but the emotions of gratitude felt during those 5 minutes are enough to trigger a grateful mood. Okay, so please go and read more. It seems to be very interesting. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!